24/7 Teachers Training, our lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Ordinal numbers. Respected teacher, Assalamu alaikum. A warm welcome from Snowman publishers. Our books are based on CPA method, concrete, pictorial, and abstract. And students will learn about mathematical concepts by using their cognitive skills. Let us start with the concept of ordinal numbers. Say Assalamu alaikum and good morning to the children. Encourage them to greet you back. Introduce yourself to them. Then ask them to introduce themselves. If some children are shy and hesitant to speak, the teacher is supposed to introduce them to the whole class. Learning objectives. Briefly define an ordinal number. Understand when ordinal numbers are used. Speak and write various ordinal numbers up to 10. When lining up to go outdoors, divide the children into groups of 10 and assign each child an ordinal number from 1st to 10th. Tell the class that the numbers which give us the exact position of an object or a person are called ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers tell the position of an object rather than their quantity. Tell them that they will identify the position of objects and persons. Tell the children that they will be learning about ordinal numbers. Arrange a few photo cards in a line. Begin at one end. Talk about who is first in line, second in the line, etc. After some practice, rearrange cards in the line and ask the children to tell you who is first, second, third, etc. Children become skilled with a few ordinal numbers. Add more photo cards, write the responses on the board. In the same group, provide 10 blocks of various shapes and sizes and explain that the goal is to work together to make a tower as tall as possible using only these 10 blocks. Each child will have a turn to put a block on the tower. For each turn, stress the ordinal number words. For example, you might say, Jamal, will you add the 5th block to the tower? Or, Jamal did a great job adding the 5th block to our tower. Laiba, will you add the 6th block to the tower? Make the children learn ordinal numbers. Play a game with the children. Assign fun names to each row of children and instruct them to follow instructions when you call their ordinal positions. For example, they should be similar to Simon Says. 4th person of Team A should stand up. 10th person of Team D should place his head on the table. Make sure to involve the whole class as they will learn more by being a part of the game. Ask them to open their textbook and take the correct position of objects. Reinforcement worksheet of ordinal numbers can be downloaded from the following website: www.snowmanpublishers.com